All right, folks, we are checking out our storm tracker from today right here at home here in Springfield. Looking at the storm tracker, you can see some clouds out there, a little bit of dampness on the ground from this morning, some sprinkles, some fog out there from the morning. The fog is long gone. The clouds, though, are still hanging in. Here's a look from our Springfield Tower camera, brought to you by Branson, the official vacation destination of the Kansas City Chiefs. Some clouds hanging around there. The fog is gone. Maybe some mist mixed in here from time to time. Generally, not bad. We're dry and warm. 70 degrees in Springfield, 70 up in Clinton. A little bit more sun now across central Missouri, but still a little cooler there. Same temperatures, upper 60s to near 70 for them. Low 60s, mid 60s across northern Arkansas here and there. I think afternoon temperatures will get close to 80 degrees today, all right? Close to 80. If we see more sun, we'll get to 80. But with the clouds coming in from time to time, we'll do about 79 by 5 p.m. here in Springfield. Look at this, folks. If you're going out this evening, before the storms roll in around midnight, if you're going out around 9, 10 p.m., still warm, all right? Low 70s coming in at 9 p.m., 73 degrees. Satellite and radar shows again another band of cloud cover moving in from the south and west. Here's your patch of sunshine getting into places like maybe Buffalo to Lebanon, up towards Rolla, Lake Ozarks, dealing with a little bit of sun there too. More clouds, though, off and on the way. Our storm system, okay, the big one. Here it is. This is going to give a whole mess of problems for folks today down in Oklahoma and Kansas. The first high risk issued in a couple years across the area, okay, especially for folks in the plains, and they've got a high risk in play for today. But that storm system is going to give us a line of wind storms for overnight tonight. Here's how things look on Futurecast. Can't rule out some passing showers and storms ahead of the main line. Still focused, though, on around 11 p.m. in the west to about 5 a.m. in the east. Okay, moving. The strongest storms will be over in East Kansas and western Missouri, where the winds could top 70 to maybe 80 miles per hour as they blow on through. There will also be a low tornado risk with this line as it comes on through. Heavy rain associated with it. Springfield about midnight to 2 a.m. That's your best window for timing. It'll cross to the east of Highway 65 after 2 a.m. By 5 a.m. it will be a weakening trend as it pushes closer to Highway 63. By sunrise Tuesday morning, the activity is really wrapping up and pushing out of here. And Tuesday should actually be a pretty nice day. For the afternoon, it looks pretty good after a stormy night tonight. So the wind hazard is going to be the primary focus for these storms. All right, hail, yes, we could see some. Tornadoes, yes, those are possible too. But wind will be more of the widespread concern going into tonight. Upper 70s to near 80 for today. Rain and storms moving in tonight, 11 p.m. in the west, around 3 to 5 a.m. in the east, weakening some as they push that direction. The bullseye today, it's over Oklahoma and Kansas. High risk, folks. Big time for them. It'll be weakening still as it gets here, but we're still included in the enhanced and a moderate risk now in eastern Kansas. Wind being the primary hazard with things we see for today. I don't want to rule it out entirely, though, okay? The wind is a big deal, but the tornado risk is also there. We're in the 10% chance of seeing that west of Highway 65. This would be mostly for spin-up tornadoes, what we call spin-ups. All right, so just be aware tonight, folks. It's going to be a serious day for us, especially in the west. Again, 80, maybe more mile-per-hour winds west of Highway 65. Tomorrow, a good day after we get this rain out of here for the midday into the afternoon. Looks like a good day there. So have multiple ways to receive warnings and alerts that'll wake you up overnight tonight. Weather radio. I know your cell phones oftentimes go off if it's a big concern. You might wake up from those. Have a plan in place, folks, before you go to bed tonight, just so you can be ready to act in case you need to. Don't want to scare anybody. Just be prepared, not scared, going into tonight. A nice day Tuesday, and then more storms possible for Wednesday, guys.
All right, as Tom